Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 reduplicative words in English. Number 1, hush-hush. It means secret, not openly discussed. Example, the wedding plans were kept hush-hush. Number 2, tip-top. It means excellent, in very good condition. Example, her English pronunciation is tip-top. Number 3, bye-bye. It means goodbye. Example, the child said bye-bye and waved. Number 4, pooh-pooh. It means to dismiss as unimportant. Example, he pooh-poohed the warning and ignored it. Number 5, shilly-shally. It means to hesitate or delay. Example, don't shilly-shally when it's time to decide. Number 6, dilly-dally. It means to waste time or move slowly. Example, we can't dilly-dally or we'll miss the bus. Number 7, flip-flop. It means to change one's opinion or decision. Example, the manager did a flip-flop on the new rule. Number 8, so-so. It means average, neither good nor bad. Example, the movie was just so-so. Number 9, walkie-talkie. It means a small portable radio for communication. Example, the security guard used a walkie-talkie. Number 10, hooray-hooray. It means an excited cheer or shout of joy. Example, the crowd shouted hooray-hooray after the win. That's all for today, friends. Now you know some fun reduplicative words in English. Don't forget to practice them and use them in your own sentences. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more English learning fun. Bye for now.